What is up everyone, how you are doing, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can change home and apps grid size in Samsung Galaxy A03s. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So let's start a video without wasting any time. So to change or set home screen apps layout size in Samsung Galaxy A03s, simply first of all you just need to open settings or display settings. So just tap on screen and hold for 2 seconds and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.